Hey guys, Alex here, welcomes you to Cosas Learning, and today I'm going to introduce to PostgreSQL. So let's get started with the question. What is PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL, also known as Postgres, is a free and open source relational database management system emphasizing extensibility and SQL compliance. It was originally named Postgres, referring to its origins as a successor to the Angra database developed at the University of California, Berkeley. Are you wondering how PostgreSQL came into picture? The Object Relational Database Management System, now known as PostgreSQL, is derived from the Postgres package, written at the University of California, at Berkeley. With over 2 decades of development behind it, PostgreSQL is now the most advanced open-source database available anywhere. Now the question arrives here is that, why do we need to know about PostgreSQL? What is the use of it for us? Let us discuss. Well, PostgreSQL is used as the primary data store or data warehouse for many web, geospatial, mobile and analytics applications. And the latest major version is PostgreSQL 12. So, it must be convincing for you, after you know its advantages, that are as follows. Open source DBMS, diverse indexing techniques, flexible full text search, diverse community, diversified extension functions, diverse kinds of replication. Here are some examples of companies who use it. Uber, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, Instacart, Robinhood, Twitch, Reddit, etc. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Let's catch up in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share. And also, see the links given for keep you up to date.